Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Payoneer login problems, account verification issues step by step clearly. Open your browser and type Payoneer.com manually to avoid fake login pages. Check that the website shows a secure lock icon and the URL is spelled correctly. Click Sign In and carefully enter your email and password with the correct keyboard language. Turn off caps lock and retype your password slowly to avoid hidden typos. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and complete the reset using your email. Wait for the reset email and also check spam and promotions folders. If the reset email does not arrive, add no reply at Payoneer.com to your safe sender list and try again. If you see an error code, screenshot it because you may need it for support. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Then restart the browser and try to sign in again. Try an incognito or private window to rule out extension or cookie conflicts. Disable VPN or proxy temporarily because Payoneer may block unusual locations for security. Switch to a stable network and avoid public Wi-Fi when possible. If you use the mobile app, update it from the App Store or Google Play. Turn on automatic date and time on your phone or computer to prevent security token errors. If Payoneer asks for verification, open Settings or Verification Center in your account. Make sure your profile name matches your government ID exactly, including middle names if shown. Upload a clear color photo of your ID with all four corners visible and no glare. Use a valid, unexpired ID and avoid screenshots, photocopies, or edited images. If address verification is required, upload a recent utility bill or bank statement from the last 3 months. Confirm the document shows your full name, full address, and issuing date on the same page. If your documents are rejected, read the rejection reason and re-upload a better version based on it. Check your email for Payoneer messages requesting extra information and respond promptly. Complete any security questions or two-step verification prompts if you enabled them. If you change phone number, update it in your profile and verify it again. If your account is locked, wait the stated time or use the unlock option if it appears. If you still cannot log in, contact Payoneer support from the Help Center and attach your screenshots. When chatting or creating a ticket, provide your registered email, country, and the exact error message. After support confirms verification, sign out and sign in again to refresh your account status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.